today we talk about how can you find your notifications on your CiCi app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to find your notifications. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on notifications down here, just click on it. When you just click on notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will find all received notifications you have. So like you see here, I have not received any notifications yet here. So but if you have any activity or notifications, can you find it here in this list on your CiCi app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish now you I get it. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.